Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Hiver review. Is it truly worth it? Managing a team email inbox like support or sales inside standard Google Workspace can quickly turn into an absolute nightmare. Forwarded threads get tangled, two agents accidentally reply to the same client at once, and tracking who is accountable for what becomes entirely impossible. This brings us to the core question of today's video. But of course, if you want to try Hiver yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. When you install Hiver, it embeds itself seamlessly. Unlike traditional customer support platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk, which require your team to log into a completely separate external dashboard, learn a foreign user interface, and open multiple browser windows, Hiver operates entirely inside your current workspace. The fundamental premise here is frictionless deployment. Your team does not need to undergo hours of platform training because they are already looking at a layout they use every single day. To understand how it functions, let us lead straight into the main workspace. Once activated, you'll see your regular folders, but sitting directly beneath them is a shared inboxes hub. When you select this option, you're instantly looking at the central command center for your team communication. This is where emails sent to addresses like info, billing, or help desk will arrive. Right next to any open message, a contextual sidebar panel will show up. This is the Hiver management panel, and it serves as the operational engine of the software. Inside this specific panel, you have immediate access to the assignee drop-down menu. With a quick click, you can shift the status of an email from unassigned to a specific team member. The moment you delegate this message, its status indicator updates to open, pending, or closed. This eliminates the constant internal guesswork of wondering who is handling which client. Now, right beneath the assignment options, you will discover the Email Notes tab. This feature is a massive lifesaver for team communication. Instead of forwarding an email to a colleague to answer a question, which creates an entirely new messy email trail, you can click into this internal scratchpad. Right beneath these assignment options sits the Email Notes tab, a feature that changes how internal collaboration happens. Instead of forwarding an email to a colleague asking a question, which traditionally creates an entirely new messy email trail, users can click into this internal scratchpad, type an @mention, and leave a private message for a teammate. The client never sees this backdrop chatter. It remains a permanent hidden note anchored directly to that specific customer ticket. Furthermore, the system includes an active safety feature known as collision alerts. If an email is opened while another team member is actively typing a reply, a bright warning flash appears at the bottom of the message window. It identifies exactly who is writing a response in real time, preventing a business from sending embarrassing duplicate replies to the exact same customer. Moving deeper into the back-end system architecture reveals the workflows and automations library. For teams looking to stop manually triaging every single incoming message, this functional hub is where operational rules are established. Inside the rule builder, specific trigger conditions are configured. For example, a rule can be set stating that if an incoming email contains the word invoice, the platform must automatically to the finance team. This area also houses the round-robin assignment feature, which instantly and evenly distributes the incoming workload among active online agents without requiring manual human oversight. Performance tracking is handled by navigating over the analytics and reporting dashboard. For team managers, this functional area provides deep operational visibility into daily metrics. Clicking into the Conversations report reveals real-time data visualizers, tracking a team's average first response time, overall resolution speed, and individual agent output. Heading over to the SLA Metrics tab allows managers to monitor whether the team is meeting its contractual turnaround obligations. User satisfaction ratings are compiled directly through the CSAT feedback hub, which automatically inserts a clean rating survey at the bottom of outgoing client emails. At this point, we'd like to remind you that if you want to try Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how you can improve your team's email management. It's a fantastic way to experience these interfaces firsthand and decide if it matches your specific organizational needs. With all these features running in the background, it becomes easy to analyze the major advantages and disadvantages of this platform. The primary undisputed benefit is the lack of a learning curve. Because it runs natively inside the inbox, user adoption is practically immediate. There is no infrastructure migration, no complex mail forwarding to set up, zero disruption to daily operations. Another major pro is the powerful internal collaboration. The ability to chat privately on threads, via notes, and see collision warnings drastically cuts down internal confusion. Lastly, the omni-channel capability is highly impressive. Through the central dashboard, teams can manage not just emails but also website live chat, WhatsApp messages, and voice support channels all from one unified screen. However, it's not a perfect system and the cons are significant. The most prominent limitation is that Hiver ties a business completely to the Google ecosystem. If an organization ever decides to migrate to Microsoft Outlook or a different enterprise suite, the entire help desk infrastructure instantly vanishes. Secondly, because it's a software overlay, heavy inboxes can occasionally experience slight loading delays, which can be frustrating for fast-paced teams. Finally, the feature gating on this platform is incredibly aggressive, which leads us directly into our comprehensive pricing review. Hiver's pricing structure is divided into 4 distinct tiers, and understanding what is locked behind each tier is crucial before making a financial commitment. The first tier is a free plan, which costs $0. This option is designed specifically for brand new startups or very small teams just getting their feet wet with shared email accounts. It gives basic access to multi-channel inboxes, live chat, WhatsApp, and foundational tools like collision detection and internal notes. However, users are completely locked out of any advanced automation routing, deep analytic reporting, or external software integrations. If a business requires automation, it must set up to the growth plan, which sits at $25 per user per month when billed annually. If chosen on a month-to-month basis, the price increases to $35 per user per month. The growth plan unlocks the rule-based automations engine, allowing teams to build an internal knowledge base, provide standard conversation analytics, and grants basic integrations with external productivity tools like Slack, Jira, and Asana. For scaling operations, Hiver offers the most popular tier, the Pro plan. This tier costs $55 per user per month on an annual contract or $65 per user per month when billed monthly. This is where the platform introduces critical customer service features. If an organization requires SLA management, CSAT surveys, or load balance assignments to prevent agent burnout, they are forced onto this plan. The Pro plan also introduces Hiver AI, which includes their native AI copilot and AI agent. These assistive tools can auto-summarize long email threads, auto-author response draft based on past conversations, and handle basic tickets triaging automatically. At the very top of the tier ladder sits the Elite plan, priced at $85 per user per month annually or $95 per user per month on a monthly track. This enterprise tier is built for large organizations requiring advanced control and strict security compliance. It unlocks skill-based routing, allowing the system to automatically assign emails based on an agent's specific technical expertise. It also includes custom objects for syncing complex CRM data, custom administrative roles, full Okta SSO integration, and crucial HIPAA compliance for medical or sensitive financial data. To summarize our evaluation, Hiver is an exceptionally powerful and beautifully integrated solution for teams that want a capable help desk without leaving the comfort of their familiar email interface. If a business is heavily embedded in a Google Workspace and prioritizes fast setup with zero learning curves, the operational efficiency gained here is undeniably massive. However, if an organization is looking for highly flexible pricing, or if they prefer an independent help desk platform that does not depend entirely on a third-party email provider, the cost here can scale up rapidly as the team grows. The choice ultimately depends on the specific workflow. So if you want to try Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.